Today we're gonna make these ooey gooey pizza skulls. We're gonna start with this silicone mold for skulls. And if you can't find one, click on my Amazon store and check out the link where you can purchase them. So we're gonna get ready-made pastry dough for this. And we're gonna make, we have shredded mozzarella cheese, pizza sauce, and pepperonis. So you can make whatever your kid's favorite is. This is a little bit time consuming, so I make these for parties. I don't make this on a daily basis, but it's fun and everybody loves them. So we have ready-made pastry dough here. So these skulls are actually really big. So you see how big those are? We have our ready-made pastry dough right here and our skulls. I'm gonna spray them. We have our oven preheated. And we're gonna cut it nice big pieces here because we wanna get it all over the skull. You wanna push that all the way down. And then you're gonna have to close them up. Okay, once you get all your dough into your little skulls, we're gonna take some cheese. We're gonna put cheese in each one. You wanna put the cheese first so that the sauce doesn't seep through the front, so that you could really see the skull shape when they bake. So we'll put the cheese, good amount. And you can make some with pepperoni, plain, whatever you like. I'm gonna make 3 pepperoni and 3 plain. So I'm gonna put sauce on all of them. This is great for kids' parties. And then you can actually ask the kids what toppings they want and bake them in the oven. So we'll put sauce on all of these. And now we're going to use another sheet of our pastry dough and cut it and put them on top to close them up. It's a lot of dough, but they're going to be yummy. So you're just going to pinch it down into each one. And if you have excess from the first one, you can pinch it. You want to make sure they're completely sealed, so no sauce or cheese is coming out. And now that they're all sealed, ooh, they're heavy. We're going to take a little olive oil and just brush the tops. And now we're going to pop them in the oven. And you need them to be nice golden brown. And our pizza skulls are ready. Look how awesome these look. Oh, nice and gooey. For the full recipe, visit nikkigleckis.com. And don't forget, like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, and check out my Amazon store for my favorite products.